Three types of embryo sacs have been found. One is called monosporic embryo sac. Next one is called bisporic embryo sac. And the last one is called tetrasporic embryo sac. What does it mean? In case of monosporic embryo sac, only one megaspore, that is the functional megaspore, takes part. Right? In the formation of monosporic embryo sac, only the single megaspore, which is actually the functional megaspore, that takes part. In the bisporic embryo sac, two megaspores take part. In the formation of the bisporic embryo sac, two megaspores take part, and in the formation of tetrasporic embryo sac, all the four megaspores take part. Right? But in NCERT, because it is in your syllabus, this one has been explained, monosporic embryo sac. Just whatever development of the embryo sac we have discussed, that was the monosporic embryo sac, and a typical monosporic embryo sac is 7-celled and 7 nucleate stage. A typical monosporic embryo sac is 7-celled, 7 and 7 nucleate. And 7 nucleate. Right? What does it mean? Means it is 3 plus 3 plus 1. It is the configuration. 3 antipodals, 3 agaperetes, and 1 central cell. Total 7 cells are there, and 7 nucleate. At the time of fertilization, 7 nuclei are there. Means 3 nuclei, 1 each in the antipodals, and 3 nuclei, 1 each in the agaperetes, and 1 nucleus which has ploidy 2n, the diploid nucleus, that is after the fusion of the polar nuclei. So in this way 7 nuclei are there. So a typical monosporic embryo sac is 7-celled and 7 nucleate, and these two embryo sac, this you will study later on in BSc. If you will be the student of BSc, then you will study about these, how is the development of the bisporic embryo sac and how is the development of the tetrasporic embryo sac. Now this monosporic embryo sac, one more information is there. This monosporic embryo sac is called polygonum type. What? Polygonum. Polygonum type. It is called polygonum type. Why it is called polygonum type? Because this type of the development of the embryo sac has been studied for the first time in a plant which is called Polygonum. By a scientist, Strasburger. So Strasburger for the first time studied this monosporic development of embryo sac in a plant which is called Polygonum. That is why this monosporic embryo sac is also called Polygonum type. And one more information is here. This monosporic embryo sac, I mean the polygonal type of the embryo sac, is called a typical embryo sac. Why? Because it is found in the majority of the flowering plants. This type of the embryo sac is found. So if it is called, what is the typical embryo sac? You will say the polygonal type embryo sac, which is a typical embryo sac, right? So dear students, this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much.